Listen!
Do you like to sing? Are you a lead singer or a soloist? Are you an organist or a minister of music without a church home? Well, Double Impact Ministries is looking for choir members and musicians for their music ministry. If you like to sing or you are a musician that does not have a church home or choir, then Double Impact Ministries is looking for you. Qualifications include being able to lead and build by example, being faithful to God and your ministry, being able to teach songs, organize, delegate, and build from scratch, being willing to work as hard and as long as it takes. Prayer attendance, whenever required or dated. Please remember and note, there must be a vision that God has placed in your heart. This is and will be your ministry. Understand that the work is on a volunteer basis. Only serious persons need to reply. For more information and inquiries, email godsvision777@aol.com. That's GODSVISION777@aol.com or call 708-317-8968. Once again, that's 708-317-8968. Ask for LaWanda. Double Impact Ministries, Inc.